Welcome back. In this part of the module, I will discuss with you how to create the custom conversions. Firstly, let us see what custom conversions are. Custom conversions are very useful to track the various website activities on your website. For example, I am interested to know about how many customers are there on my website who added the product to the cart but exit from the website without completing the transaction. Similar to this, there can be so many other activities that I would like to track on my website. For example, the purchase completed, completed registrations, and others. So let us see how to create the custom conversions using the Facebook pixel. Go to Business Manager account. I am selecting DMOOC. From these three lines, go to Ad Manager. We are in Dizzy Ad account. Again, go to these three lines, click on Pixels. This is the Facebook pixel of our page of our ad account. To create custom conversions, click on Custom Conversions. In this case, I would like to track that how many purchases have been completed on my website. This is our first conversion and you will see this sort of page. Click Custom Conversions. This is the window where we have to define our custom conversion. Make sure you are working on Add Account pixel. The green light shows that this pixel is active. We want to track the website event, that is purchases. Here we have to give the link of our thank you page. This is the page where the visitor will land once he will complete the transaction. Let me quickly create the thank you page from our WordPress. From WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, add new page, give the title of the page and some content. Click on Publish, again Publish. Our page is created. Copy this URL of the thank you page, paste it here. Give any name to the conversion. I am giving it Sales. Select the category to which it represents. There are so many categories, you have to select the best one. This is the purchase transaction, so I will keep it as purchase. Value is optional. It is a monetary value of your transaction. You can leave it blank, but let me give it 1. Click Create. Custom conversion is created. Now it will start tracking the data for final purchases. Same way, you can create the custom conversions for add to cart, registration, add to wish list, and so on. Click Done to complete the process. See here, our custom conversion is created. Refresh the page after some time and you can see it shows that it is active now. That way, our custom conversion is active. Congratulations! We have created our first custom conversions. The process to create the rest of conversion is almost similar. I will suggest you to create more conversions at your own end. It will give you more confidence to work on conversions and on Facebook pixel. Thank you.